Hi, I'm Eddie from Aerofast Tiedowns, coming to you from a wonderful factory. So I do apologise for the noise, but I'm going to explain to you how to install a racking net. Okay, there are essentially two parts to a racking net. There's a tensioning device. There's two of these that are horizontal on the top and the bottom, and then there's the net itself. So we start by installing the tensioning device. So I tend to put it through the hole so it won't slide down when it's loose. So it's a nice loose setup. So feeding it through, again, nice little loop, really straightforward. To remove the net itself and make sure that the smooth surface is on the front. And essentially you just feed that tensioning strap through the top layer. And put the last one through. Make sure it's all straight and the top isn't twisted. And then feed it through the cam buckle from the back. And then you use that to tighten it. Then attach one side. And the other. And then we do the same again across the bottom. And then we feed these through the holes across the bottom, which is much easier than the top one. Making sure there's no twists. Last one through the hole there. Make sure it's all nice and even. No twists. Feed it through the back of the cam buckle again like we did on the top one. And then tension it. To then open it, it's just a matter of unclipping this and sliding it back to get into your product. And obviously you can do it from both sides, so it gives you plenty of flexibility.